This video is made possible by Amsoil.
Just caught up with another talented racer, right? Many of you may be familiar with the face. What going, bro?
They are easy, so I go and pull yourself.
Well, I see the machine out today. Looking very, very, very impressive. You mind telling us a little bit of the specs of the machine?
Well, really and truly, as close to stock as possible,
Yeah?
B20 bottom half, 16A, with just some type of cam.
Okay.
Basically it,
Yep. Bone stock internals.
Bone stock internals.
Wow.
Bone stock internals, bro.
So, in other words, you're telling people out there that they can just buy a B-Series, fuel look a bolt on, and come enjoy themselves.
Just like that.
Now, in terms of in the past though, what are some of your successes in the past?
Like in racing.
Yeah man, with racing,
Well,
right here.
Right here. Well, the last race that was held here, I got first place in the first race of the day for the IB2 class. And then after that, I got second place in that same day.
Okay.
Last race meet.
Yeah.
In that time, yeah.
Alright, what I want to know, what can fans expect? Hopefully we get the green light soon. What can fans expect from Marvin Hoilett?
Well, it's all about fun, We don't really have no grudge match with nobody or anything.
Not
We just
yet.
coming out here and just having fun, just enjoying the car, Whatever the car can do, just do.
Alright. And in your class, who are some of the top contenders?
Well, last time it was Xavier Murray.
Okay.
That beat me.
Okay.
And we have few other cars.
Well,
I can't pick up all of the names now.
Well, tell you
The
what,
head kind of jumble up,
if you lose to Xavier Murray, that's not a bad loss.
No, not at all.
Because we all know Xavier.
Most of them sandbagging,
Yeah.
But my car just
All
driving
out.
right out and it's
All
the
out.
time. So
All out.
it's no hold back.
Okay.
It's just driving right out.
And in terms of today though, any technical, because I see a few cars, I guess because they're down for so long, injectors might block up, fuel pump fail.
I'm having a slight issue with this one,
Okay.
With the oil pressure
Okay.
keeps dropping after like 3 laps.
Oh.
So that causes the VTEC to cut out.
Okay.
So if you're listening, you hear the little breaking up. The VTEC trying to come back in and not engaging properly.
I see.
So we're going to have to see what's going on right here.
Well, I mean, that's the purpose for track days and test days. To come out, test your cars,
And feel it out
see where it's at. Stevie,
Stevie,
my year hype from we at the second week me there now. Me see you, I'm gonna see the car.
Nah, it's fun.
Eh? You're not hiding.
Yes, I will just get the green light,
Okay, so I mean, what about testing? Any are you test when nobody not there?
Yeah, ride and contest.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we have to try more.
All right, so Stiffy, a member of Team Brownstone. So you don't know, them man can all, you know, come on the track whenever they feel like and come enjoy themselves. The car is ready.
Car is ready.
All right.
Ready and waiting.
Ready and waiting. All right. I just want to see the car in action. So here what happen. Stiffy, until we see the car, big up yourself. And we hope a good season. Hope for the best, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.